Hello guys, I decided to make this second part just because I see and we went to this part of the bovine, but I just checking the black bass. This black bass is in here, and the grease when it start to be black is when it's bad. Even had some texture, but had a lot of black inside in the cans. See? So better take off all the grease and put a new one, because I don't want to see this black in the cans. Is thinking about like maybe 30 years with this machine or something, and maybe was never changed the grease. So when it start to be black like that, it's better change that. And the other thing is, it's not just put the grease in the plate. We need to greasy a little bit our fingers and put the grease in the cans, in the gears. Call that is gears. No? So better do that. I start to take all until get really clean in here. We need to be a little easy. That's okay. Use the best way for cleaning. This start to be black when I top this. Move the hand well and take all that old grease, because you see these gears are in metal, really good, but like any machine, and the gears is important get there really with a good grease. I've showed you in the first video the grease I use. This is my last part of the grease, so I needed to get apart the barrel for put this grease, clear synthetic grease. Make sure that you don't leave nothing for the paper over there. You need to use something you're going to throw after. After you cleaning very well, you can put after the grease over there. And for close this, it's in the same shape coming, so they're not loose like that. You put the 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. That's all. So is that. Well guys, I'm going to enjoy finish to do this and put the new grease in there, and I hope you checking your machines and doing that. Your machines need that, and remember is to put the grease in the gears, no in the outside or in the sides. We need to put the grease there. After, first we need to clean it very well and take all the black stuff is there. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.